Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Get started, open up your settings by clicking obviously on the settings icon, and by default you would be located in the main settings page. In here, scroll all the way down to System, swipe down again and select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. It will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process, so go over it. If there's anything in here that you would like to preserve, maybe things like photos, music, or user data, make a backup copy of it before you actually reset your device. Now, assuming you have made that backup or you just simply don't want to, you can go back here and then proceed further by selecting Erase All Data. Confirm that for the second time, and this will now begin factory resetting your phone. This will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.